You arrested Nnamdi Kanu's brother?
Emmanuel Kanu, yes.
And you arrested his lawyer too?
Barrister Aloy, yes.
Why?
Because they insisted on making way to the restricted areas. And not just 2 of them, 6 others were also arrested around Transcorp for this same reason. So we arrested a total of 8 of them. They are currently at the state CID. And once we conclude our investigation, just like we said in our statement, that anybody who violated that court order would be arrested, diligently investigated, and prosecuted. So once we conclude that, which we should tonight, then they'll be prosecuted immediately. In less than 24 hours, they'll be facing the court.
So now, people are going to be prosecuted because they are exercising their constitutional rights.
No, you are getting it wrong.
The question is that, are they aware? Would any citizen be prosecuted for an offense he or she is not aware of? And that's why we're asking, where is the court order? How many you went to court ex parte to get the court order, but you never made it available to Nigerians.
They were arrested not for carrying out their lawful duties, but for contravening a valid court order.
A court order that was not made available to the public.
The court order is there, and in our statement on Saturday, we mentioned the court, we mentioned the judge, we mentioned the court order number, we mentioned everything. We were so plain, we made it clear, and we also warned that anybody that contravened that court order would be arrested. We made it clear.
So, is the police aware of a possible optics of what happened today? Whether or not the police is on the side of the people or on the side against the people? Is police aware and managing these optics?
Well, I don't think it's as bad as you make it look.
Is it me that make it look?
No, as you're painting, I don't think it's as bad as you are painting. A couple of, in fact, do you know, this happened in Abuja, and one man carried a placard in Lagos, and a few people in Abia State, and that's all, no other states. So these people came out, and we tried our best. We managed the situation. I think we deserve commendation for this.
Hello. Sorry. Sorry. Yes. We couldn't come earlier because we had to go and shut down the city. How are they now? Who gave the instruction to detain my people? Who gave the instruction?
They run the following from that.
Oh, yeah. You like? Fantastic. What's your name? Great Akokai. They break your leg. So what's the status of the situation now?
They have made statements.
What are you writing statement for? What did you do?
He went to fight all processes.
No, what did you do now?
He went to fight all processes.
Is that a crime?
Well, I don't know.
Are you the IPO? Are you the IPO?
Yeah, I'm detective.
What do you detect when Boko Haram full and
You arrest them.
Yes.
Are you not aware that killing Boko Haram? Are you not aware?
Boko Haram
I'm not aware.
I understand they are doing it.
Is it the DC which for me?
The DC or the CP or they are doing it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. We don't mobilize come here with that now. We're ready for them now. We didn't want to come before because we had to go and shut down Apple and Gudu. Yes. Okay, yes, we shut them.
So right now, the news that has taken over social media and the Nigerian online space is the report that Aloy Ejimakor, the lawyer to Nnamdi Kanu, and Prince Emmanuel Kanu, who happens to be Nnamdi Kanu's younger brother, have both been remanded in Kuje Prison. Yes, you heard that right, the same Kuje Prison where Nnamdi Kanu himself was once held. And people are reacting seriously because this development came so suddenly that it shocked even close followers of the Free Nnamdi Kanu campaign. According to confirmed reports coming from Kuje, both men were taken into custody after a protest linked to the hashtag Free Nnamdi Kanu Now movement held in Abuja. The demonstration was aimed at pressing for Nnamdi Kanu's release, as supporters have been saying for weeks that the government is delaying justice. But things got tense during that protest. Authorities alleged that the group blocked parts of the road, caused traffic, and even chanted what they called war songs. That's what led to the charge of public disturbance. Now let's pause here for a second. Before we go deeper, please remember to like this video, subscribe to Post Niger News, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss our next update. We always bring you verified stories in simple English so everyone can follow along clearly. Alright, so back to the gist. The most surprising part is that Aloy Ejimakor, who is known for being very professional and outspoken about due process, was not even leading a violent protest. He was reportedly speaking with others peacefully when police moved in to make arrests. Videos from the scene show security officers dispersing people, and in the confusion, several protesters were taken away. Among them was Ejimakor and Prince Emmanuel Kanu. Later, they were taken to a magistrate court in Kuje, where the court ruled to remand them in prison pending trial. This decision immediately drew massive reactions online. People were saying things like, "How can the lawyer of someone in custody be arrested for speaking for his client?" Others said, if a lawyer can be detained for peaceful protest, then no one is safe to express their opinion again. Now, the situation took a twist because Ejimakor himself posted from custody, saying he was safe but that he had been denied quick access to legal representation at the time. He added that his case was taken straight to the Kuje court, bypassing other magistrate courts that would normally handle such minor public order cases. That statement got many people wondering, why was Kuje chosen? Why were they rushed there without proper hearing time? Friends, before I continue, please make sure you hit that like button right now if you're following this story. It helps us grow and ensures more people can see what's going on in the country. Also, if you're new here, subscribe and join our community so you don't miss out on any new updates. Now, let's talk about the background of this issue because understanding the build-up helps make sense of today's event. For months, there have been consistent calls from across Nigeria and even internationally for the release of Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of IPOB. His case has dragged on since 2021 after he was rearrested and brought back to Nigeria. His legal team, led by Aloy Ejimakor, has repeatedly argued that Kanu's detention is illegal and against court orders. The government, however, maintains that his case involves serious national security concerns. Just a few days ago, SOA even made headlines when he confirmed that former President Goodluck Jonathan met with President Tinubu in Oso Rock to discuss Kanu's release. That meeting raised hopes that something positive might happen soon. So when this new development about Ejimakor and Kanu's brother being arrested broke, many people saw it as a setback. It's like just when the matter was coming down, something else came up to stir fresh controversy. At this point, Nigerians are asking, is this arrest meant to silence people speaking up for Kanu's freedom? Or is it just a case of enforcing law and order at a protest that got out of control? These are the two sides of the story, and both are strong arguments in the public space right now. Please drop your opinion in the comment section. Do you think the arrest of Kanu's lawyer and his brother was justified, or do you think it's intimidation? I'd love to know your thoughts. And don't forget to like and subscribe while sharing this video too. Now, another thing people are discussing is how symbolic Kuje Prison has become in Nigeria's political space. Remember, it's not just any prison, it's where several high-profile detainees have been held, including politicians and activists. The fact that Ejimakor and Prince Kanu were sent there has added an emotional layer to this story, because that place has become a symbol of both injustice and resistance depending on who you ask. Meanwhile, supporters of the Free Nnamdi Kanu movement are already mobilizing online for peaceful campaigns, demanding the immediate release of Ejimakor and Kanu's brother. There are also calls for the federal government to intervene and ensure fairness in handling this matter. Now let's talk about the legal side for a moment. The charge against them, public disturbance, is a bailable offense under normal circumstances. So, many legal observers are questioning why the court decided on a remand instead of granting bail. Some say the reason could be political sensitivity, given how emotional the issue of Nnamdi Kanu's detention is. Others say it might simply be a procedural step before proper bail applications are filed. Whatever the case, it's clear that the matter has once again brought attention to how Nigeria handles activism and freedom of expression. Before I move on, kindly like this video now if you haven't. It really helps us continue bringing you clear and balanced news like this one. Also, subscribe to Post Niger News so that anytime there's a major update on Nnamdi Kanu or any political gist, you'll be the first to know. Now, one related angle to this story is that several human rights groups are expected to react officially soon. Groups like Amnesty International and SERAP have already been vocal in the past about unlawful detentions, and they are likely monitoring this event closely. In fact, some early comments on social media from activist lawyers indicate that petitions might soon be filed to demand Ejimakor's release. And if that happens, this could draw even more attention to the larger question: when will Nnamdi Kanu finally be released? Because the truth is, many people are tired. They just want closure, one way or another. Let's also remember that earlier this year, courts had ordered that Kanu should be given better access to medical care, and that the government should follow the legal path on his case. But till now, no major breakthrough has been seen. And that's why tension remains. Every time something like this happens, whether it's a protest, or someone connected to Kanu gets arrested, it reopens old wounds and sparks fresh reactions online. Friends, what's your honest opinion? Do you think Nigeria is handling this situation fairly? Let me know down below in the comment section. And please, if you are watching this and you've not subscribed yet, pause a bit, click that subscribe button right now, and hit the bell icon too. We appreciate your support. Now, if you look at the larger picture, you'll see that this case is more than just a legal issue. It's about emotion, identity, and national unity. People in the Southeast see Nnamdi Kanu as a voice of their frustration, others see him as someone who went too far. But whichever side you stand on, what's clear is that the case has shaped Nigeria's political conversation for years. And this latest arrest of his brother and his lawyer shows that the story is still very far from over. If you're still watching, thank you so much for staying with us till this point. Please like this video right now, subscribe if you haven't, and share it with someone who follows Nigerian political stories. We'll keep monitoring what happens next, especially any official statement from the federal government, IPOB representatives, or the judiciary.